All right, let's dive into this explainer. We're tracking down the absolute best ExifTool alternatives for Windows in 2026.
Here's the agenda: the ExifTool problem, top desktop and online picks, bulk editing, and picking your winner. So why exactly are so many Windows users suddenly ditching the classic ExifTool? Let's find out.
It's super powerful, but honestly, it needs a terminal. Most of us just want a clean visual interface.
Plus, nailing your metadata is absolutely essential for getting discovered on massive platforms like Google or Shutterstock.
Complete metadata also hugely boosts your indexation and visibility on big e-commerce sites like Etsy and Amazon.
So, our number one pick actually bypasses the terminal entirely. Say hello to Exif Injector. It runs right in your browser, no installs, no Perl runtime, just pure, simple drag and drop.
Looking at desktop options now. Want maximum power? Go with ExifToolGUI. Just need privacy? Grab ExifCleaner.
For serious digital archivists, Exif Pilot is rock solid. Amateurs, though, you might prefer PhotoME for lightweight viewing. Get this, switching to a visual bulk editor literally slashes processing time by a whopping 65%. You can process 500 images instantly, edit multiple formats, and even generate AI alt text. No terminal needed.
Ultimately, it's like a puzzle. Just match your specific workflow needs to the right software right here.
Stop fighting the command line. So, which user-friendly tool will you choose to reclaim your workflow today?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit ExifinJector.com. Start free today.